So it's your girl j.sym back with it, you feel me? And first thing first, if you have not watched the first half of this video, make sure you check that out. Make sure you subscribe before you leave though. And second, if you go watch that video, or if you've already watched that video, I said how I did not do a bun in this video. I'm sorry that I was made out to be a liar, because guess what the first hairstyle gonna be? A bun. You know what? It was a long time between filming the footage for these videos and filming that footage, which ended up not being a video at all because I deleted over half of the footage. So I needed to get some use out of that look because it was fire. So that's how that happened. But make sure you, and I hope this video helps you. But I wore this hairstyle on the 4th and I thought it was really cute. It's basically like a bun with some hair coming out the top. I stole it from my friend. Basically what you do is the same way you do a bun, but you have to make one of the pieces bigger than the other and then wrap the smaller piece around the larger piece. And instead of following with the second piece like you would do if you were wrapping your hair in a bun, just let the second piece hang over the first piece, either to the front or to the back, depending on your preference for the look. Look, so boom, this is high key the same style that came before it. But if you're bold enough, sis, go ahead and slide these 2 pigtails up into some space buns, and there you go, style number 7. But I personally just thought they was gonna be huge, and I didn't have the goods. Also, I said in part 1 I was not finna play around with bobby pins and stuff all night, so that's why I just wrapped them to the back and did not take the pigtails down, because I wasn't finna play with them. This last style is my failed attempt at a messy bun, but I still included the footage just so you can see the technique of how you're supposed to get it. But I included a clip at the end of how it was supposed to turn out because I did it at a later date and it was cuter. This is how the bun was supposed to turn out. This is the same weekend of that picture I inserted earlier with the little half bun, half ponytail looking hairstyle. I just wanted to make sure I had a conclusive video. Make sure you check out the other half to see hairstyles that are not necessarily updos. I hope you're able to get some hairstyle inspiration. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.